Hello my dear students. So here in this second part of the video we are going to start our question number 3, that is evaluate. Okay, so the first part of the question is 5 by 9 raised to the power minus 2 multiply by 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 multiply by 3 by 5 raised to the power 0. Clear? So here what we will that 5 by 9 raised to the power minus 2. First of all, in these type of questions, as in second question we have seen that the base were equal or same, correct? So here also we will just try to find if in any case we can make the bases equal. Okay, because multiply sign is there. If we can just make the base equal, then we will just add the powers and solve our question. So here in this question what we are going to do, let's see. Here we take 5 by 9 raised to the power minus 2. Okay, we have only taken this fraction. Okay, so here then 5 to the power minus 2 and 9 also to the power minus 2. Then the power is negative, right? But before that you can see that denominator is 9. Okay, then can we write the denominator in the power form? Like it can be factorize or we can do something like that, है ना? 9 we can write like this, na? 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. We can write like this. Okay, so here we have written 5 raised to the power minus 2 and 3 square raised to the power minus 2. Okay, so here 5 raised to the power minus 2, and when the powers are like this, outside and inside the bracket, then we multiply the powers. So here we will write 3 raised to the power minus 4. Clear? Now as we can see that the powers are negative, so we will just reverse or just do the reciprocal of the base, that is 3 raised to the power 4 and 5 raised to the power 2. So we can see in the second one, that is 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 3, and we will not change this or we will not do the reciprocal of this fraction because we have got the bases same now. Clear? So here in the next step, 3 raised to the power 4 by 5 raised to the power 2 multiply by 3 raised to the power minus 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 multiply by 3 raised to the power 0 and upon 5 raised to the power 0. So here next step is 3, we will add the powers 4 plus minus 3, and here also by 5 raised to the power 2 plus minus 3 multiply by 1. Why we have multiplied by 1? Because in the concept video we have studied one property, that whenever the base have the power 0, the answer is 1. Okay, in the concept video it was told you like very elaboratedly, so it is clearly understood that x to the power 0 or base who has the power 0, answer is 1. Clear? So here next step, 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3 and 5 raised to the power 2 minus 3, and here we got 3 power 1, 5 raised to the power minus 1. Now here see, as in the previous questions what we were doing, that the power was negative for the whole fraction, है ना? But here the numerator has the power positive and the denominator is having the negative power. So we will just do the reciprocal of denominator. Okay, so 3 will be as it is and multiply by 5, the answer will be 15. Clear? So this question just try by yourself and try to understand the concept. Okay, now coming to the next part of the question, that is minus 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 4 multiply by minus 2 by 5 raised to the power 2. Now here we cannot, like it is not given in that way that we can just do the powers, we can change the bases or we can make the bases same. correct? So what we will do, we will just elaborate or open the question. So minus 3 raised to the power minus 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 4 multiply by minus 2 raised to the power 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2. So here 5 raised to the power 4 by minus 3 raised to the power 4, we have done the reciprocal to make the power positive, multiply by minus 2 by 5 raised to the power 2. Now here when we open the fraction, it will be 5 5s are 25, and here 5 and 5 will be cancelled by this 5 and 5, and when we solve this equation, we will get 25 multiplied by 4 upon 81 multiplied by 1, and we get the answer 100 by 81. Clear? Now the third part, minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. So it is simple that because the bases are same, so we will just add the powers. Minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 plus minus 2. So minus 2 by 3 here we will get by solving it minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 5. Here power is negative, so we will just do the reciprocal, and it will be 3 by minus 2 raised to the power 5. When we will solve it further, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243, and here minus same. Here the power is odd, so the sign will be negative. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So the answer will be 243 by minus ka 32. Clear? Now moving forward to question number 4, it is evaluate. So the first part is minus 2 by 3 raised to the power, it is 2 curly bracket close raised to the power minus 2. Clear? So what we will do, I told you earlier that when the powers are between the brackets, we just multiply it. Here it is 2. Okay, so we just multiply the powers. So minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 4, and the power is negative, so we will just do the reciprocal of the base, 3 by minus 2 raised to the power 4. When we will solve it, then 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, and 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, it is 16, and the power is even, so sign will be of positive. Understood? Now second part, it is minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 2 curly bracket close raised to the power minus 2 big bracket close raised to the power minus 1. Clear? So by solving it, we can solve here only. 2 multiplied by minus 2, it is minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is plus ka 4. Clear? So here we will get minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 4. I have just shown you how we have calculated the power. So here minus 1 by 3, when we will just open it, so the power is even number, so plus ka 1, and here 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So the answer is 1 by 81. Now coming to the third part, 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 2 raised to the power 2. Clear? Brackets are there, so the power will be multiplied. So the here it will be 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 4. The power is negative, so we will just do the reciprocal of it, 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. Further by solving it, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, and 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So the answer is 16 by 81. Okay, so we have solved till question number 4 in this video. I hope you understand it. Thank you.